Precision and versatility with the HueparPro ZK-04CG laser level. Precision is everything in construction and home renovation. Whether you're a professional contractor, a remodeling expert, or a dedicated DIY enthusiast, getting those perfect alignments and accurate measurements can make or break a project. And that's where the HueparPro ZK-04CG laser level comes in. The HueparPro ZK-04CG is designed to deliver high-precision laser measurements with an accuracy of Hz 113" at 33 feet, ensuring your results are consistent and reliable every time. This powerful tool features both horizontal and vertical laser lines, making it incredibly versatile for a range of applications, whether you're leveling floors, aligning ceilings, or setting up partitions. The strong distance measurement capabilities allow the ZK-04CG to perform in both small home projects and large-scale construction sites, giving professionals the accuracy they need without compromise. And because construction environments can be unpredictable, the ZK-04CG is built with an IP54 dust and water resistance rating, ensuring durability and reliability no matter where you're working. HueparPro is a trusted global brand known for developing professional-grade measuring tools that engineers, contractors, and DIers rely on for precision and efficiency. If you're looking for a laser level that delivers top-tier accuracy, durability, and versatility, the HueparPro ZK-04CG is the ultimate tool for the job. Get yours today and take your projects to the next level. See the promo codes in the description for an exclusive discount at checkout.